Zhejiang Jingu Packing and Printing Company Limited is located in Wenzhou City of Zhejiang Province. Founded in 1991, and after over 10 years' effort, our company now has grown into a modern and specialized manufacturer engaged in producing and selling stationers. We supply various kinds of products including notepads, file clips, portfolios, PP board materials of over 30 series and 800 varieties. We have also set up sales branches in many big cities. Our company now employs a staff of more than 200 persons, among which there are several senior managers and special technicians. Our company possesses a complete set of manufacturing and printing equipment, including Model CP2000 Heidelberg 5-color print machine, full automatic screen process presses, advanced PP board machine imported from USA, and 8 producing lines which are most advanced, both domestically and abroad, with exquisite equipment and the first-class technology. With total assets of over USD 122,000, building area of over 10,000 square meters, we are now one of the most scalable and strengthened enterprises of the same field in Zhejiang Province. Basing on production and operation policy of quality for survival, management for benefit, and credit for customer attraction, our company takes it as our clinging pursuit to create first-ranking enterprise in China and keep the lowest cost-quality ratio. We persist on implementing standard of ISO 9001 international quality system, and have won support and deep favor of customers home and abroad.